Okay, so let's get back to work. And it has been a long time since I've made any update because I was really busy for the last 2 days, and currently now I'm absolutely free. So I'm back with another update. And today is 7th of Jan, and the last video was uploaded on 5th of Jan. So here I am with a complete update of what Bitcoin is about to do in the near future. So here, first of all, let me give you a smaller time frame update. Then we will talk on what can be done on the larger time frame. First of all, let me drop down to 1 hour time frame, and here we can see that price was actually, first of all, let me go back to 4 hour time frame and tell you what's happening in the with the Bitcoin chart. First of all, we can see that the price is actually, let me turn on my tools just a second, and here I have turned it on. The price was actually forming some sort of this is known as, actually this is known as an ascending triangle pattern. I've made it in a little slant way, but here if I say, I will make it over here, right? So the price is actually forming some sort of ascending triangle over here on the upper trend line, and this is how it forms, that the price actually rises in an upward manner, but in the end it forms a pattern something like this. And here we can see that the price has actually formed a pattern exactly like this, and this is known as an ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern, but in the past week we have seen that the price actually broke off the upper trend line, but the price actually did a double top retest, and the price moved down back into the level where we started. But currently what I can see is, I can see that the price is actually back in the zone, and it's working as usual. It has already cleared the lower liquidity. Here we can see that the price has cleared the lower liquidity, and currently we are heading towards something new pattern, and that is I need to clear, or maybe I will need to change the chart. So here we can see, okay, so here we can see that the price is actually forming some sort of another ascending triangle pattern. Let me show you how it is forming it. So here we can see that this is the upper zone, which is the resistance zone, and this is the trend line on which price is actually forming a pattern. And we can see the breakout in the next 12 to 24 hours, 12 hours, not 12 hours, but in the next 8 to 10 hours, because on the start of Monday we will see a breakout on either on the upside, and the price might go like this if it broke out on the upper side, and if it broke down on the lower side, the price will actually move like this, lower breakdown, and then a breakdown much lower, then the price will actually form a bearish pattern. So first of all, what I think is, price is actually forming a pattern near the resistance. This is our main resistance, where the price actually, this I would call this a supply zone, and the price actually was rejected from this level. And even if we break on the upper side, the price might do is, the price might touch this, and then we can also retrace downwards. And if it breaks literally from here, then we will see a dump towards, at least towards the level, let me mark it, we will see a dump around 42,400 level. So that would be my level if the price breaks down. And if the price breaks on the upper side, I would like to wait what happens when the price reaches 45,200 level, and what the price does with this type of movement, because this is actually a resistance zone, and I would like to see what the price do when it reaches over here. And then I will finally conclude what I think and where the price is likely heading towards, because we cannot say anything until it's tested, because that's then how we will actually judge where the price will actually go, either on the upside or on the downside. So we have to wait and see how the price actually perform, so that we can make a final conclusion on where the price is actually heading. But what I can say with this is that the smaller pattern is actually bullish, and if we break out of this, we will actually break out of a bigger pattern also. Let me change the time frame, let me change the chart again, and here we can see that if we break out of this level, which is the resistance level, we will actually break out of our bigger trend line as well. This is our bigger resistance line, which we failed when breaking out earlier in the past. But now if we break out it completely, and if we break this level also, which is 45,700, if we break above this also, then we will see a perfect bull run for Bitcoin, and also will also follow this. But if we break down lower, we might also fall down back to 43,200 level or 43,400 level. That is my down target. And then we might see again some consolidation till until the end of this pattern, and then we might break on the other side again, because this breakout will actually be huge. This will not be a smaller breakout, because this pattern is actually big, because it's forming on a 4 hour time frame, and 4 hour time frame is not a smaller time frame, it is actually a bigger time frame. And even if it breaks on the upside, the target will be around, this will be our target, and it targets to 48,000 level. And if it breaks on the downward side, then our target will become 39,200. Yeah, so that is my target on both of the sides, and we just have to wait right now and see where the price actually breaks. If it breaks on the upper side and does a perfect retest, we will take a long towards 48,000. If it breaks down and it does a bearish retest, we will take a short towards 39,200 level. So that will be my analysis in the future. But don't worry, I'll update as soon as the price breaks out on the either side. But what you need to do is, you need to subscribe to the channel, so that you don't miss out when I will make a video, when I will make an update, when I will provide you a trading opportunity, you should not miss out. And for that, you have to subscribe the channel. And if you like the video, do like the video so that I can be motivated to make videos every day for you guys, and you can get the maximum help from these type of videos. So guys, let's meet tomorrow. Until then, let's wait and see where the price actually breaks out, because I think today is weekend, and we might not see many movement on the upside or the downside, but we can see sideways consolidation for until the end of today. And as soon as the Monday starts, we will see a breakout on the either side, and I will make a video for sure to keep you guys updated. So guys, let's meet tomorrow, and do like the video and subscribe the channel for more such content. Guys, let's meet tomorrow. Have a great day, have a good profitable day. Bye bye.